Maya religion. According to the Maya legend, the earth is a giant turtle, and the sky is held up by 4 mighty gods. The sky has 13 levels split into 3 parts. The heavens, full of people who died in battle, the earth, where mortals live, and the underworld, where the rest of the dead live. These parts are connected by a giant world tree. Religion was an important part of life for the Maya. Since they built their cities in the rainforest surrounded by nature, they had many nature gods who could shapeshift into animal or human form. Chak was the god of rain and lightning. Abulan Sakab was the god of farming and royalty. Kinik Ahau was the sun god in charge of disease and drought. Itzamna was the creator of beings, who also created writing. Kukulkan was the god of water who hibernated during the dry season. The king or ruler was worshipped as a god and was said to be able to communicate with the dead. There was even a god of maize. In every city, Maya built step pyramids out of stone. These were temples dedicated to the gods, where priests offered sacrifices to calm down the gods when they got angry. Cities would go to war against each other to steal food and capture people to offer to the gods. They also made daily sacrifices for the sun god. They feared that if they didn't, the sun wouldn't rise.